I am going to make a fake emergency alert system. Ha 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 ha. Now time to go to the EAS headquarters. Now that I'm at the EAS headquarters, now time to hit the alert button.
This is the emergency alert system. There is a tornado in front of Canada. Hide somewhere before the tornado comes.
Oh no, there is a tornado in front of Canada. We must hide.
Yeah. We must hide before it comes.
The tornado alert was fake. A 4-year-old boy snuck into the EAS headquarters and pushed the alert button. Whoever he is, ground him when he gets home.
I should have known it was that 4-year-old brat Caillou.
Let's ground him right now.
Caillou, come downstairs right now. Is this true? Did you make a fake EAS alert? Tell me the truth right now.
Yes I did. Please give me another chance.
Absolutely not. You are grounded for 56 days. Go to your room now.